I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and preparing the hardware. Charge the earbuds in case to at least 50% so pairing doesn't fail. A low battery often interrupts the process. Once charged, open the case and power them on, holding the main button until LEDs blink. Meanwhile, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the devices within 3 to 10 meters. This proximity reduces interference. If these earbuds were paired elsewhere, reset them by holding the button 5 to 7 seconds to clear past links. Now you'll get the earbuds into pairing mode and connect. Once the LEDs flash a blue or white pattern, they're advertising themselves. That visual cue confirms pairing readiness. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth list and tap Dime Black. You should see it appear within seconds. Make sure to accept any pairing request prompt. Most modern earbuds require no PIN, but if one appears, accept or enter 0000. Once connected, you'll hear an audio cue. This confirms a stable link and ready audio route. Finish by verifying audio and resolving common issues. Play a familiar track and check left/right channels, volume levels, and microphone function. This confirms both audio routing and balance. If the connection drops or audio stutters, make your phone forget the device and repair. This clears stale profiles. If problems persist, reset the earbuds and check for a firmware update via the manufacturer app. Updates fix stability bugs. One quick tip: move away from crowded 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi or microwave sources while testing. Interference often causes dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.